आता क्लिअर आहे का बघा?
येस मॅम.
येस मॅम.
हो आता क्लिअर आहे.
बोला, कोणाला काय अडचण होती?
तुमचा आवाज येत नव्हता ना, तेच सांगायचं होतं.
बरं, आता येतोय ना?
येस मॅम.
ओके. आता असाइनमेंट नंबर 4 साठी मी तुम्हाला टेन्स वरती रिलेटेड काही एक्झाम्पल्स सेंड करेल, जसं काल प्रेपोजिशन्स वरती केले होते. ठीक आहे. त्यानंतर चेंज द व्हॉइस, जे की आपलं उद्याच्या लेक्चरला होईल. आणि मग त्यानंतर हे जे असाइनमेंट आहे ते कम्प्लीट होईल. पण आजच्या डेटला तुम्हाला मी देते आहे असाइनमेंट नंबर 5. ठीक आहे. ते तुमचे आज आणि उद्यामध्ये मी तुम्हाला ग्रामरचं असाइनमेंट कम्प्लीट करून दिलं की त्यानंतर तुम्ही ते असाइनमेंट लिहायचं. त्या असाइनमेंटसाठी आज जे मी तुम्हाला वर्ड डॉक्युमेंट शेअर केलेलं आहे, वोकॅबलरी बिल्डिंग नावाचं एक वर्डचं PDF सेंड केलंय. सर्वांनी पाहिलंय का ओपन करून?
येस मॅम.
ओके. तर त्यातले फक्त तुम्ही रफ कुठेतरी रफ मध्ये लिहून ठेवा की असाइनमेंट नंबर 5 मध्ये नक्की काय करायचं. ठीक आहे. रफ नोटबुक मध्ये किंवा असाइनमेंटच्या कॉपी मध्ये लास्ट पेज वरती जरी लिहून ठेवलं तरी चालेल. असाइनमेंट नंबर 5 नाव द्यायचं आहे वोकॅबलरी बिल्डिंग. आजची डेट टाकायची. लिहून ठेवा बरं. असाइनमेंट नंबर 5 वोकॅबलरी बिल्डिंग. आणि त्याला द्यायची आजची डेट.
डन मॅम.
ओके. आता त्यात तुम्हाला काय करायचंय, मी जी तुम्हाला PDF शेअर केलेली आहे त्यातनच तुम्हाला लिहायचे 30 एक्झाम्पल्स ऑफ वर्ड्स ऑफन कन्फ्यूज. किती एक्झाम्पल? 30 एक्झाम्पल्स ऑफ वर्ड्स ऑफन कन्फ्यूज. त्या लिस्ट मधनं लिहायची. ती लिस्ट रीड करायची आहे, कारण की त्यावरती जी काही तुम्हाला लिंक मिळेल त्याच्यावरती क्वेश्चन असतील, टेस्ट असेल, जी की तुम्हाला मी शेअर केलेल्या PDF वरतीच आधारित असेल. त्यामुळे वाईल रायटिंग यू विल प्रिपेअर दोज वर्ड्स. रॅन्डमली कुठलेही 30 वर्ड्स लिहायचे आहेत, परंतु एक्झाम मध्ये मी कशावरही कुठल्याही वर्ड वरती तुम्हाला क्वेश्चन मिळतात. त्यानंतर लिहायचं आहे, सेकंड पॉइंट लिहायचा आहे 30 एक्झाम्पल्स ऑफ कोलोकेशन along with use in sentence. 30 examples of collocations. 30 पेक्षा जास्त एक्झाम्पल आहेत त्याच्यामध्ये. फक्त हे एक्झाम्पल्स लिहिताना त्याचा सेंटेन्स मध्ये यूज पण लिहायचा आहे. समजलं?
येस मॅम.
प्लीज रिपीट मॅम.
नेक्स्ट लिहायचं आहे 30 एक्झाम्पल्स ऑफ इडियम्स फ्रॉम दॅट लिस्ट ओनली. त्याच्या बाहेरचं काहीच लिहायचं नाही, अभ्यास करायचा. 30 examples of idioms, 30 examples. Along with sentences, examples द्यायचे. जसं की एक इडियम दिली, त्याचं मीनिंग दिला, सेंटेन्स मध्ये यूज मात्र तुम्ही तुमच्या मनात करायचं. आणि मी तुम्हाला जे ऍप्लिकेशन डाउनलोड करायला लावलं होतं CSTT चं, ते केलंय सर्वांनी?
हो मॅम केलंय.
येस मॅम.
त्या ग्लॉसरी ऑफ ऍडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव्ह ट्रस्ट मधनं कुठलेही रॅन्डमली 30 वर्ड अलॉंग विथ इट ऍडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव्ह यूज. ग्लॉसरी ऑफ ऍडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव्ह टर्म्स. कुठलेही रॅन्डमली 30 एक्झाम्पल. वर्ड्स आणि त्याचे मीनिंग, ऑफिशियल मीनिंग.
मॅम तुम्ही एक्झाम मध्ये विचाराल का ते ग्लोसरी वाले मीनिंग का असाइनमेंट मध्ये?
आता असाइनमेंट मध्ये तर तुम्ही लिहा. आणि ते असाइनमेंट अपलोड करायला जी मी लिंक देईल त्यात मी हे जे वर्ड डॉक्युमेंट शेअर केलंय यातनच काही एक्झाम्पल्स तुम्हाला विचार.
मॅम असाइनमेंट नंबर 4 चे काय सगळं?
असाइनमेंट नंबर 5 आहे असं सांगितलं दादा मी. 4 नंबरची असाइनमेंट ग्रामर ऍप्लिकेशनची आहे.
ते क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 आणि 2
नाही.
तेवढंच आहे ना फॉर असाइनमेंट?
अरे बाबा, तू काय लेक्चरला आता जॉईन झाला का?
हो मिस.
मग ती तुझी चुकी ना, वेळेवरती जॉईन व्हायचं. असाइनमेंट नंबर 4 अजून पेंडिंग आहे. असाइनमेंट नंबर 4 चे 2 आस्पेक्ट म्हणजे ग्रामर ऍप्लिकेशनचे 2 आस्पेक्ट अजून मी दिलेले नाही. एक म्हणजे टेन्सेस वरचे एक्झाम्पल्स आणि दुसरं आहे तुमचं चेंज द वॉइस. याचे एक्झाम्पल्स 20-20 इच दिल्यानंतर ग्रामर ऍप्लिकेशनची असाइनमेंटची ती कम्प्लीट होईल. जसं थिअरी मध्ये आपलं ते कम्प्लीट होईल तसं सेम डे मी तुम्हाला एक्झाम्पल देईल. आज मी तुम्हाला टेन्सेस वरचे जे एक्झाम्पल्स आहेत ते 20 एक्झाम्पल्स मी तुम्हाला वर्ड डॉक्युमेंट शेअर करेल. ते कम्प्लीट करून टाकायचं. उद्या चेंज द वॉइस झालं, त्याच्यावरचे 20 एक्झाम्पल्स दिले की ग्रामर ऍप्लिकेशन ही असाइनमेंट संपेल. मग असाइनमेंट नंबर 5 व्होकॅब्युलरी बिल्डिंग ही लिहायला घ्यायची. कळालं इथपर्यंत सर्वांना?
येस मॅम.
येस मॅम.
आता 1 बाय 1 तुम्ही तुमचं प्रेझेंटेशन द्यायला सुरुवात करायची. ठीक आहे. काल आपण प्रत्येक ब्रांचचे 6 रोल नंबर बघितले होते. त्यातल्या बऱ्याच मुलांनी प्रेझेंटेशन दिलेलं नाही. म्हणजे 1 to 6 मध्ये मेकॅनिकलच्या ए डिव्हिजनच्या फक्त रोल नंबर 5 ने प्रेझेंटेशन दिलेलं आहे. ए डिव्हिजनचे रोल नंबर 1, 2, 3, 4 द्यायला कोणी उत्सुक आहे का? 1 to 4 मध्ये
येस मॅम. रोल नंबर 3.
रोल नंबर 3. स्टार्ट शेअरिंग युअर स्क्रीन विथ अस. कसं शेअर करायचंय माहितीये ना? रोल नंबर 3 अनम्यूट कर तुझा माईक.
येस मॅम.
कसं शेअर करायची तुझी पीपीटी माहितीये ना? खाली जे 3 डॉट्स आहेत त्याच्यावरती क्लिक करायचं. येस.
आय एम विजिबल मॅम.
येस.
Can I start, ma'am?
Yes.
Good afternoon, all. My name is Harshvardhan Ahire. Today, I am going to present on the topic named as space technology. While understanding space technology, we need to understand what is space. So, space is the area occurring above 100 km from Earth surface where there is insufficient air to breathe, or we can say that space is the zone where light is unable to scatter due to absence of air. Now we will see what is space technology. Space technology is technology that is related to entering and exiting objects or life forms from space. We are able to travel and do various activities beyond the Earth atmosphere with the help of space technology. Now, let's see the uses of space technology. Space technology plays a very important role in our daily life. We used to stay updated about weather, which is only possible due to space technology. GPS systems, communication systems, which we use in our daily life, are totally depend on the satellite systems, which is the part of space technology. It is used to send rockets, aircrafts, as well as satellites into the space to discover various things such as planets and lives on planets and different materials. Nowadays, space technology is essential for developing a nation in the field of technology. Present space technology. First is Hubble Space Telescope. Hubble Space Telescope was launched into the orbit in 1990 by NASA. The Hubble telescope is one of the best space instruments in history of space technology. Uh, Hubble was equipped with various advanced instruments like cameras, sensors for capturing images of space. NASA has published more than 10,000 scientific research papers based on the data gathered by Hubble telescope. Next is India's first satellite. Aryabhatta is India's first satellite. Aryabhatta was the first satellite launched by India in 1975 from Kapustin Yar. It was named after the great Indian astronomer Aryabhatta. The satellite Aryabhatta was built to gather information about X-rays, X-ray astronomy, aeronautics, and solar physics. It was the great achievement for India because till then India was not so developed country. The Mars mission of India. The Mars orbiter mission is also called as Mangalyaan. Mangalyaan was developed and deployed in just 15 months by ISRO. It was successfully inserted into the Mars orbit on 24th September 2014 by Indian Space Research Organization. Till now, no other country had successful Mars mission in its first attempt, except India. Another mission is Chandrayaan-1. Simply, Chandrayaan means the moon, and Chandra means the moon, and Yaan means the vehicle. Chandrayaan-1 was the first Indian unmanned lunar probe under the Chandrayaan program, which is developed by ISRO. Then, what are the objectives of Chandrayaan-1? Chandrayaan-1 was developed for 3D mapping of lunar surface and to discover presence of minerals in the lunar surface. India is the first to discover water molecules in the lunar soil with the help of Chandrayaan. It was in operation until August 2009. Now we will see the future space technology. Antimatter powered rockets. An antimatter powered rockets uses antimatter as their power source instead of regular fuels. But why to use antimatter rockets instead of fuels which are in use today? Because antimatter is better in comparison to fuels that are used in rockets. Because antimatter is lightweight and have faster impulsion rate, which provides much powerful initial thrust. But there is very few quantity of antimatter present on the Earth. To make antimatter powered rockets, we need big source of antimatter. Next is time travel. Time travel is a concept of moving in the future and past in the time. But is time travel really possible? Yes.
Harshvardhan, you are telling that the antimatter, but we don't know about antimatter. Can you explain that antimatter what is?
No, I actually really have no deep knowledge about it.
मी सांगू?
Can I continue?
हाँ.
Yes, you can continue.
Next is time travel. Time travel is the concept of moving in future and past in time. But is time travel really possible? For the answer, we will see the Einstein theory of relativity. Einstein's theory of special relativity describes that speed of time depends on how fast you are moving relative to someone else. Simply, it means that time is depend on one's speed through space. Einstein declares time as fourth dimension. time move with different speed on different places, just like a flowing river. If you travel with high speed, time will be slowed down for you compared to the Earth's normal speed. For simplicity, I explain it through an example. Suppose you are traveling in a spaceship. Earth has its own gravity, so Earth is bending the time as per the Einstein's theory of relativity. If you're able to fly a spaceship around the Earth at the speed of light, then you age slower than a person on the Earth because you are not affected by Earth's gravity. So you are traveling straight in time. But people on Earth are passing through bent time due to Earth's gravity. So
नहीं रे
imagine
चम्मच
if
देना.
you return on Earth after spending 1 week in space while traveling at the speed of light, then on Earth 65 years will be spent and you will find yourself in future. So that's interesting is space technology. So here I completed my presentation. Thank you so much.
What's your name?
Harshvardhan Ahire.
Harshvardhan. In your slide, I have noticed that the spelling of the source is incorrect. Source. Okay, and while preparing yourself for giving any presentation, do keep in mind that you must be aware with the things, the concept that you are using. So this type of incident won't
Okay.
happen, that you will not be in a position to answer if someone will ask you any question. So when you give a presentation in real life, do try to study all the topics. So along with rehearsal, even these things are very important. Okay,
Okay, ma'am. Sorry.
it's all right. Otherwise, your presentation was good and prepared very well.
Thank you,
If roll
ma'am.
number 1 and 2 is willing to give presentation, roll number 1 and 2 from A division. No. Roll number 6, A division. If roll number 6 is there, roll number 7, A division. Roll number 9 from A division. Roll number 9
Yeah,
from A
ma'am.
division.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, screen is visible.
No, not yet.
No.
Ma'am, now.
No, it's not visible. Have you clicked on the 3 dots?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
आवाज
Started
clear.
sharing the screen. The आवाज particular
Ma'am,
story पर
now. Okay, ma'am.
नहीं मैं
No,
नहीं
now it is visible now.
Video.
Okay, ma'am. Today I am going to speak on. So, crypto is an virtual currency that is used for exchanging money conversion or buy something, and
स्क्रीन नाही दिसत आहे मॅम.
स्क्रीन नाही दिसत आहे.
Your screen is not visible.
मॅम तो लेफ्ट झाला वाटतं.
Roll number 10 from A division.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh,
Ma'am, my screen is visible.
No.
no, not yet.
Ma'am, आता?
No.
Not yet. Click on the three dots, start sharing your screen. Share screen option ला जायचं आणि screen share करायची. Yes, now it's
Ma'am, आता?
visible.
Okay.
No, आता दिसते.
Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Tanishka Avinash Devre in Mechanical Engineering, Division A. I have present my presentation on biometric system. The founder of biometric system is Alfonso Bertolini. Biometric system. A biometric system is a system that allows the recognition of a certain characteristics of individual using mathematical algorithm and biometric data. There are several uses of biometric system. In such a mode, the system must then answer the question related to the identifier of the user. Second, biometric systems are automated method of verifying or recognizing the identifier of a living person on the basis of some physiological characteristics like a fingerprint or face pattern or some aspects of behavior like handwriting or keystrokes pattern. Uh, Types of biometrics. First, face recognition. Second, finger geometry recognition. Third, eye iris recognition. Fourth, hand geometry recognition. Five, voice speaker identification. And six, DNA matching. The first is face recognition. A facial recognition system is a technology capable of matching a human face from a digital image or video frames against the database of faces typically employed to authentic users through the ID verification services. Second, fingerprint recognition. Fingerprint recognition refer to the automated method of identifying or confirming the identity of an individual basis on the comparisons of two. Third, eye iris recognition. Iris recognition is an automated method of biometric identification that uses mathematical pattern recognizing techniques on a video image of one or both of the iris of individual eyes. Fourth, hand geometric recognition. Hand geometric is a biometric that identifies user from a shape of their hands. Hand geometry readers measures users' palm and fingers along many dimensions including length, width, deviation and angles. Fifth, voice speaker recognition. Voice or speaker recognition is ability of machine or a program to receive and interrupt dictation of or the understand and any carry out spoken commands. Six, DNA matchings. DNA matchings is the process of sequence your DNA and comparing it to the DNA of other people in a database. Thank you.
Roll number 10. What's your name?
Ma'am, Tanishka Devre.
Tanishka Devre. You were very fast. Whenever you are giving presentation, you must give a space. Take a pause or try to give other explanation except whatever is there in your slide. Mayuri Ahire, तुझा व्हिडिओ बंद करते का बाई?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so otherwise your presentation was good, informative one, but don't be in a haste to complete it somehow. Take your time. As you have got an opportunity to present something in front of others, encash that opportunity. Listen to yourself, hear your voice, so that next time you can bring the improvement. Okay? Otherwise, your presentation was good. Just keep in this thing.
Ma'am, can I give now?
What's your roll number?
9.
9. Okay. Start sharing your screen with us. Mayuri Ahire. मयुरी अहिरे, विदाउट रोल नंबर कुणीच जॉईन करायचं नाही प्रॅक्टिकल, हे अनेकदा सांगितलेलं आहे. सो आय एम रिमूव्हिंग यू फ्रॉम मीटिंग. इफ यू विश टू अटेंड द प्रॅक्टिकल, डू जॉइन इन विथ युअर रोल नंबर.
Ma'am, screen is visible.
Yes, your screen is visible.
My topic is cryptocurrency. Introduction to cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that's secured by cryptography, which make it really possible of double spend money. Cryptocurrencies are decentralized networks based on blockchain chain technology, distributed enforced by disparate networks of computers. History of crypto. The cryptocurrency was invented by 2008 by an unknown person of a group people using the name Satoshi Nakamoto. The currency began use in 2009 when the implementation was released as open source of software. Bitcoins are created as reward for a process known as mining. Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency, and it has the highest value in the cryptography's world. What is your types of cryptocurrency? Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Cardano, XRP, and many more. Here you can see the type of cryptocurrencies in picture. Is cryptocurrency safe? Security and acceptance of cryptocurrencies are highly secure. Thanks to cryptography, there are no intermediaries involved in a transaction. How can we use crypto? Crypto can be used to buy and sell things, and their potential is to store and grow value. There are thousands of different cryptocurrencies available today. How can I buy cryptocurrency? There are many cryptocurrencies exchanges like Coinbase and Coindex for buying bitcoins. One, do a transfer from your bank account into any application that you are using for online transactions after placing bitcoin using digital payment methods. Here I am. Thank you.
पढ़ लिया.
मैम डालो. मैम डन. श्रेयस चंद्रात्रे.
मॅम आता लास्टचे 10 नंबर पासून चालू करता.
मॅम आवाज नाही.
तुमचा वॉइस ब्रेक होतोय टीचर.
Ma'am, your voice is so breaking.
And don't read. Don't read your presentation. Do keep in mind that do not read it hurriedly. Slides read करू नका. This is not what your presentation means. You need to take a pause. You need to give extra explanation, something beyond which is not mentioned in your slides. Slide मध्ये जे मेन्शन केलेलं नाही त्याच्या बियॉन्ड तुम्हाला प्रेझेंटेशन करायचं.
Ma'am, आवाज येतोय.
Something.
मॅम साऊंड
मॅम आवाज खूप तुमचा.
मॅम आवाज होतो तुमचा.
आवाजच येत नाही मॅम. डायरेक्ट आवाज ब्रेक होतोय.
आवाज नाही येते मॅम आता तुमचा.
मॅम इको होतोय खूप.
आवाज ब्रेक होतोय मॅम तुमचा.
आवाज येत नाही.
थोडस तुम्हाला बोलता यायला हवं.
मॅम आवाज ब्रेक
आवाज
होतोय.
येत नाही.
जस्ट अ मिनिट.
मॅम आवाजच नाही आला तुमचा. ते
काहीच नाही आलं.
अटकतोय मॅम.
No,
तुमचा
ma'am.
आवाज.
आवाज येतोय?
Yes, ma'am.
आता येतोय.
येस मॅम.
Yes, ma'am. Now it's clear.
ओके. प्रेझेंटेशन देताना आता सर्वांनी ही काळजी घ्यायची की खूप घाईने स्लाइड रीड करू नका. स्लाइड मध्ये जे नाही त्याच्या व्यतिरिक्त सुद्धा तुम्हाला बोलता आलं पाहिजे. नुसतं पीपीटी रीड केली म्हणजे प्रेझेंटेशन झालं असं होत नाही. रोल नंबर 11 आहे का? मेकॅनिकल ए डिव्हिजन.
मॅम आवाज ब्रेक होतोय.
मॅम आवाज ब्रेक होतोय.
मॅम आवाज ब्रेक
Roll number 12 from A division. Roll number 12 from A division.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, start sharing your screen.
Ma'am, just a minute.
₹100 and 1,000 rupee currency notes will no
Ma'am, is my screen visible?
legal tender. वाह मोदी,
Yes.
क्या बोल
Yes.
किया है. अब आएगी सारी ब्लैक मनी बाहर. हम तो भाई सरकारी नौकर हैं, मेहनत कमाते हैं. हमने कभी काला पैसा इकट्ठा करा ही नहीं. जी सुनो. हाँ. थोड़े से ना नोट है मेरे पास. कोई नहीं, बैकवर्ड हलवा सकते हैं. थोड़े ज्यादा हैं. फिर भी कितने हैं दिखा?
Good morning to one and all. I am Dev Tadage from Mechanical Engineering. Today I am going to tell you about digital forensics. Before starting my presentation, I want to tell you about what digital forensic mean. In short, digital forensic is a branch of forensic science encompassing the recovery, investigation, examination, and analysis of material found in devices, often in relation to mobile devices and computer crime. So we will learn types of crime, why we need digital forensics, what is digital forensic process, type of digital forensics tools, challenges faced by digital forensics, and at last we will see conclusion. Types of crime. Nowadays we all know that crime rate has been increased, and in that we are all known to both traditional crimes and cyber crimes, in which traditional crimes include kidnapping, murder, robbery, motor vehicle theft, and cyber crime includes electronic fund transfer fraud, copyright violation, cyber terrorism, identity theft, and cyberbullying and harassment. Digital forensic process. Step. The first step is acquisition, second step is analysis, and third one is reporting. Why we need digital forensics? Ensures the integrity of digital system to track down cyber criminals or cyber terrorists, recover lost or deleted data, to recover, analyze, and present computer-based material in such a way that is usable as evidence in a court of law. Now we will see what the digital forensic mean. Again, digital forensic is the identification, collection, preservation, interpretation, and documentation of computer evidence which can be used in the court of law. Types of digital forensics. There are 6 types of digital forensics. The first one is computer forensic, second one network forensics, third one is memory forensics, Fourth one is digital video audio forensics. Fifth one is digital image forensics. And at last, sixth one is mobile device forensics. Digital forensic tools. There are 8 types of digital forensic tools, and that are Volatility, Encase, Mailexaminer, FTK, Autospy, Wireshark, Dumpzilla, Xtool. Challenges faced by digital forensics. The increase of PCs and internet access has made the exchange of information quick and inexpensive. Easy availability of hacking tools. The large amount of storage space available to suspect, up to over 10 terabytes. The rapid technology changes require constant upgrade or changes to solutions. And at last, the conclusion is, with computer becoming more and more involved in our everyday lives, both professionally and socially, there is a need of digital forensics. This field enables crucial electronic evidences to be founded, whether it was lost, deleted, damaged, or hidden, and used to prosecute individuals that believe they have successfully beaten the system. That all I want to tell is now finished, and thank you so much.
Rule number 12. What's your name?
Devdatt Tadhage.
Your presentation was quite good. You have taken time to explain. Topic was good. You have prepared very well. Very good. Keep it up. Stop
Thanks,
presenting your screen first. Roll number 13 from A division.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can I start?
Yes.
Good afternoon, ma'am, and my dear friends. So first, I'll tell about my PPT. I'm going to talk on the topic machines and benefits of machine in technical field. So first we see the introduction. So in introduction, I'm going to tell the topics we are going to see.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मॅम मला कोणीतरी आता आहे ना मीटिंग मधून लेफ्ट करून टाकलं, काढून टाकलं.
Unmute your mic, Gaurav. Your mic is mute.
Ma'am, can I start now?
मॅम आता
आता प्रेझेंटेशन सुरू आहे, डिस्टर्ब करू नका. Gaurav, your mic is unmute. You
Okay,
unmute your mic.
Okay, ma'am, I'm starting. Good afternoon, ma'am, and my dear friends. So, friends, I'm going to talk on the topic machines and the benefits of
Hello.
We are not able to see your screen, Gaurav. Share your screen once again.
मॅम लेट झाला वाटतं तो.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse
Yes.
me. Ma'am, someone is removing me from the meeting, ma'am.
यस मॅम ते रिमूव्ह करत आहे, परमिशन अलॉट आहे.
आता आहे ना मॅम लेक्चर चालू झालं होतं ना, त्याच्या 5 मिनिटानंतर मला पण काढलं होतं.
मला 2 वेळेस काढलं मॅम कोणतरी.
काल पण मॅम मला काढ.
ओके गौरव गाडेकर प्रेझेंटेशन
Yes,
सुरू
ma'am.
कर तू.
Okay, ma'am. I am doing the presentation, ma'am, but someone is removing me, ma'am, during the presentation.
Let me see. Now you start. Now I am having a watch. So whoever is doing this will be caught soon.
Good afternoon, ma'am, and my dear friends. So, friends, today I'm going to speak on the topic machines and the benefits of machines in technical field. So, first we'll start with introduction and the topics we are going to see in our PPT. So, first we'll see the machine, what is machine, and then machine used in mechanical field, which was the first machine made in India, how did technology affect labor, advantage of automation as machine affect job opportunities, disadvantage of automation as automation affect us. And friends, through this PPT we will able to understand how much competition we have to face in our future for job opportunity. So friends, I'll start with the PPT. So first we are going to see what is a machine. A machine is any physical system with order properties. It may resistant human-made or naturally occurring device, molecular machine that uses power to apply force and control movement to perform an action. This is a definition of the machine. And friends, below we have machine, a device that makes work easier by changing the size or direction of a force. It's an easy definition and a basic one. The two types of machine are simple and complex, but they both are made by human himself. Now we'll see machines used in mechanical field. So first we have trolley jacks and floor jacks. Here hydraulic jacks, bottle jacks, transmission jacks, balloon jacks, jack stand, wheel dollies, trolley jack, and hydraulic ram sets. Now we'll see which was the first machine made in India. TIFRAC, Tata Institute of Fundamental Research Automatic Calculator, was the first computer developed in India at the Tata Institution of Fundamental Research in Mumbai. Initially, a TIFR pilot machine was developed in the 1950 century, operational in 1956. Who invented the machine? A big question. There three of a simple machine were studied and described by the Greek philosopher Archimedes around the 3rd century BC. The lever pulley and the screw. Archimedes discovered the principle of mechanical advantage in the lever. Now, how did technology affect labor? Related to us, current technological process had led to a higher relative demand for skilled workers and a lower relative demand for workers performing routine activities. The use of computers in the workplace has been central force driving changes in the wages of skilled workers relative to the wages of unskilled workers. Advantage of automation. Advantages commonly attributed to automation include higher productive rates and increased productivity, more efficient use of materials, better product quality, improved safety, shorter work weeks for labor and reduced factory lead times. Higher output, increased productivity have been two of the biggest reasons in justifying the use of automation. Despite the claim of high quality from good workmanship by human, automated systems typically perform the manufacturing process with less variability than human workers, resulting in greater control and consistency of product quality. Now, as machine affect job opportunities, machines replace humans in the workplace has been a perpetual concern since the Industrial Revolution and an increased topic of discussion with the rise of automation in the last few decades. But so far, hype has
outweighs geographic information about how automation, particularly robots, which do not need humans to operate, actual affects employment and wages. I'll give one example which tells how machines affect job opportunities. The researchers found that for every robot added per thousand workers in the US, wages declined by 0.42% and the employment to population ratio goes down by 0.2 percentage points. To date, this means the loss of about 400,000 jobs. The impact is more seasonable within the areas where robots are deployed. Adding one more robot in a commuting zone, geographic areas used for its economic analysis reduce employment by 6 workers in that area. Now we'll see disadvantages of automation. A main disadvantage often associated with automation, workers' displacement has been discussed above. Despite the social benefits that might result from retaining displaced workers for that other jobs, in almost all cases, the workers whose job has been taken over by a machine undergo a period of emotional stress. In addition to displacement from work, the worker may be displaced geographically in order to find other work. An individual may have to relocate, which is another source of stress. As automation affects us, yes, it also affects us. But as we see before, that there are advantages of automation are there so we should try our best and study well, because as we read that automation needs highly skilled labor, so we can do that, and we know that machines work on their own, but a highly skilled labor is needed for maintenance and monitoring. Thank you and have a nice day.
What's your name?
Ma'am, Gaurav Wadekar.
Gaurav, your roll number was 13. Okay, you have given presentation very well. Space was maintained in a well manner. Very good. Keep it up. Now, roll number 1. Stop presenting your screen. Roll number 1 from B division is absent. Roll number 2 from B division.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Start sharing your screen with us.
Yes. Screen is visible, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, good afternoon all. Good afternoon, ma'am, and all of you. My name is Sarthak Alukar from Mechanical Division B, Government Polytechnic, Nashik. Topic of my PPT is the wind energy. When you want to a thinner road or any type of places then you see the wind energy plants and their windmills and turbines also. Okay, let's start the PPT. What is the first of all learn what is wind? In simple language or common language, we say that wind means the high and low pressure of air is called as wind. But I tell you in scientific and geographic language that wind is the stabilizing movement of air between areas of high and low atmospheric pressure created by the uneven heating of the earth's surfaces, example land, water and air. In the air, the greater the pressure difference between these areas, the harder the wind blows. Wind also exists as the circulation of air around a high or low pressure area. What is the wind energy? Wind energy is the use of windmills or turbines. Electricity is sent to transformers where voltage is increased and sent to the power grid via transmission lines. Wind energy, where it comes from. All renewable energy except tidal and geothermal power ultimately comes from the sun. The Earth receives 1.74 into 10 raised to 17 watts of power per hour from the sun. About 1 or 2% of this energy is converted to wind, which is about 50 to 100 times more than the energy converted to biomass by all plants on Earth. Historical overview. The historical overview means the people in ancient times wind energy was used. But I explain you, wind has been used by people over 3,000 years for grinding grain and pumping water. Windmills were an important part of life for many communities beginning around 1200 BC. Wind was first used for many electricity generation in late 19th century. This was the ancient picture. First picture is from Afghanistan and second is from China. This is also ancient picture. Windmill design. A windmill captures wind energy and then uses a generator to convert it to electrical energy. The design of windmill is an integral part of how efficient it will be. These pictures of windmill that you see. Sizes and application. There are three sizes are present in wind energy. First is the small, second is intermediate, and third one is large. The small is 10 kilowatt is the size and the application that was used in homes, farms, and remote applications. Second one is the intermediate. Their size is 10 to 250 kilowatt. They are used in application that was village power, hybrid systems, and distributed power. Third one is large. Their size is 660 kilowatt to 2 plus megawatt. And there is used application, central station wind farms, distributed power, and community wind. There are advantages and disadvantages present in wind energy. First is wind advantages. Wind is free and wind farms need no fuel. And produces no waste or greenhouse gases. Wind energy is all eco-friendly to our atmosphere, our nature. A good method of supplying energy to remote areas. There are disadvantages also present in wind energy. The wind is not always predictable. Some people feel that covering the landscape with these towers and windmills also can kill the birds. Migrating flocks tend to like strong wind. That's all. Thank you. That's all my presentation. Thank you very much.
What's your name?
Sarthak Alokar.
Sarthak. Your roll number is?
2, ma'am. B division.
Roll number. Okay, Sarthak, you have given presentation very well. Your preparation was very well, and you are quite confident. Good. Keep it up.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next is roll number 5 from B division.
Ma'am, presentation is not available. Tomorrow I will give.
Roll number 38 from B division. Roll number 38 from B division will give me the presentation.
मैं आपको अपने एक दोस्त की बात बताता हूँ, बड़ी ज़बरदस्त मैंने बात की। उन्होंने कहा कि यंगस्टर से बात कर रहे थे कि याद रखो, अगर तुम लोग शादी से पहले अपनी हिफाजत नहीं करते, पॉर्न एडिक्शन के शिकार हो जाते हो, या तुम्हें चैटिंग का बड़ा मज़ा आता है अपोजिट जेंडर से और एट द सेम टाइम 5-5 से लगे हुए हो, याद रखो कि शादी के बाद भी तुम्हारी ये हराम के साथ जो लज्जत वाली आदत है ये नहीं जाएगी। क्योंकि शादी के जो रूट सेंटर है ना हमारे दिमाग में,
हेलो मैम, आवाज नहीं।
Roll number 6 from B division.
स्क्रीन पे इसके रूट सेंटर शादी के रूट सेंटर अगर तुमने इतने बढ़ा दिए, वर्चुअल डिजायर फिर जाहिर है ये मजे में तुम अल्लाह माफ कर, अगर ये मजे तुम्हारे एडिक्शन बन गए।
Roll number 6 from B division is there.
फिर भी तुम बाहर
Roll number 8. Roll number 8.
Yes, ma'am.
Start sharing your screen.
Okay, ma'am.
अगर इन आयतों का कंसेप्ट
Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, can you see my screen?
Yes.
Hi all, good afternoon. I am Omkar Borde and my topic is sensor technology. Introduction. Measurement is an important subsystem in any major system, whether it may be a mechanical system or an electronic system. A measurement system consists of sensors, transducers, and signal processing devices. The use of these elements and devices is not limited to measuring systems. These are also used to perform specific tasks to communicate with the real world. A sensor converts a physical events into electrical events, whereas an actuator converts electrical signal into physical elements. Literature survey. According to Instrument Society of America, a sensor is a device that provides usable output in response to a specified quantity which is measured. The word sensor is derived from the original measuring to perceive. Sensors are devices that in a system as they sensor the change in a quantity. A sensor is a device that detects the change and events in physical stimulus and provides a corresponding output signal that we measured or recorded. Output signal can be measurable signal and it generally an electrical. Example is the best example of a sensor is a mercury thermometer. Here the quantity that is being measured is heat or temperature. The readable value on the based on the expansion and contraction of liquid mercury. And another example of sensors is this temperature measuring gun. This device is equipped with infrared sensor. It can be quickly measure surface temperature without making and contact of person's skin. Now this device is very useful. Thank you, ma'am.
You are not prepared very well. You are reading quite slowly, not expected. Try to maintain the pace
Sure, ma'am.
and try to be confident whenever you are reading something.
I
Roll number.
next time.
Your roll number is roll number 8, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Roll number 9. Roll number 10 from B division. If 10 is there,
Yes, ma'am.
start sharing your screen.
मॅम मॅम प्रेझेंटेशन नाही, मी गावाला आलोय तर इकडे बस बंद येते, ते प्रेझेंटेशन घरी आहे, दुसऱ्या मोबाईल मध्ये केली होती. मॅम बस बंद झाले तर येतच नाही आहे ना तिकडं.
किती बस कधी बंद झाला? तू कुठे भारताबाहेर गेला का?
नाही मॅम, आउट ऑफ स्टेशन नाहीये, इकडे नगरचे तिकडे सर्व बस बंद झाल्या कालपासून. मी काल येणार होतो पण ते बस आम्ही तिकडे गेलो तर ते म्हणले बस बंद झाले, तर मग उद्या नाही तर परवा दिली तर चालेल का? मॅम उद्या नाही तर परवा मम्मी म्हणले कस तरी. मॅम तो मोबाईल घरी होता, कारण की ना त्याच्यामध्ये ना फक्त अभ्यासाचं होतं, तर तो घरी ठेवला होता. म्हणलं 2 दिवसात येऊन जाऊ आम्ही, तेव्हा सुट्ट्या चालू होत्या म्हणून. चालेल का मॅम?
बघू आता तुझ्यासाठी थोडी स्पेशल प्रेझेंटेशन करणार आहे. रोल नंबर 13 फ्रॉम बी डिव्हिजन. रोल नंबर 13 फ्रॉम बी डिव्हिजन. नाही, रोल नंबर वाईज जाऊ, पण काय करायचं?
Yes, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Roll number 13, ma'am.
Yes.
Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. My name is Yash Redley. Ma'am, my screen is visible?
No. Now it's visible.
Yeah. Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Yash Redley. I am from Mechanical Branch, Division B. Today's my topic is shortage of chips.
You are not audible. आवाज येत नाही तुझा.
माइक ऑफ केला मॅम त्याने.
Hello, ma'am.
हाँ.
Ma'am, sorry, network problem. Okay. Again, I am sharing. Hello, everyone. My name is Yash Redley. I am from Mechanical Branch, Division B. Today's my topic is shortage of chips. Before getting to the point, we must know what is the chip. A chip is a set of electronic circuit on a small flat piece of material. That material is usually silicon. These chips are the brain of device, directing all the functions through its inbuilt components. Without these chips, all the devices we use are useless. These chips are used in electronics devices, like, for example, tablets, smartphones, laptops, gaming consoles, and cars as well, cars and bikes as well. These are our day-to-day use. These are in our day-to-day uses. Now, the cause of global chip crisis is a combination of different events. With COVID-19 pandemic is the primary reason for this crisis. Other causes have been attributed to the China-United States trade war and the Taiwan drought. Taiwan is a country where mostly the chips are manufactured. Due to the sudden pandemic, world was quarantined. Everyone was at their homes, and order of chips were stopped for the certain time period. Chips manufacturer companies stopped their production of chips. Everyone was sitting home and started working from home. Students also started learning from homes on mobiles, laptop, tabs. and many people starts buying gaming consoles first keep their minds off the global pandemic to make their stress away. The orders of mobiles, laptops, tabs, gaming consoles, etc. suddenly increase. In these gadgets, maximum 15 to 20 chips are planted. The chips are small in size and as well easy to store. But the chips planted in car are bigger in size and expensive at cost as well. In a single car, approximately 500 to 1500 chips are planted. But the chips used in cars are not easy to store. Toyota, Ford, and Volvo, these are worldwide famous companies. They have to either slow or temporarily stop their production at their factories. Sales of almost 4 million cars has been stopped. The companies will suffer almost $110 billion loss due to this crisis. Now we will get to know about manufacturing of the chip. A single chip required 4 to 5 liters of pure distilled water to get manufactured, and it takes a lot time to getting a chip manufactured, up to 2 or 3 months. A country, Taiwan, where the chips are mostly manufactured, was under a great drought situation because of the heavy usage of water. In 2019, the company TSMC named used 63,000 tons of water in a single day. Now we must think about solution for this shortage of chips. Tesla, everyone is known about Tesla. Tesla had changed their whole manufacturing and their all the processes. They have involved new and different types of chips that didn't affected their production. They did not have to stop their manufacturing. Samsung, Huawei, Intel, and TSMC. TSMC is a Taiwan company. Are the more companies which manufacture chips. Chips of Nvidia, AMD, Microsoft, Qualcomm, MediaTek are manufactured by TSMC. Now the TSMC made a contract with our Indian government for investing $7.5 billion for chip manufacturing plants. That will be the perfect solution for the chips manufacturing. Intel is also doing
check.
Your voice is not coming. Unmute your mic.
हॅलो यश, तू आहे ना ऍपल नाव नाही टाकलं त्याच्यात. ऍपलच्या पण चिप्स आहेत
in
ना.
the short term. It will a long period. You have to one to thank you.
मॅम आवाज नाही येत.
जैसा आवाज येत नाही, ऑडिबल नहीं है तू. यश डेरले, यू आर नॉट ऑडिबल. Stop sharing your screen with us. Screen sharing बंद कर. Stop sharing your screen. I have removed him. Now roll number. Just a minute. Roll number 15 from B division. Roll number 15 from B division. 15 आहे का? One 515 roll number. 14 from B division. Roll number 14.
मॅम स्क्रीन शेअर करता येत नाही मला.
कसं काय? तीन डॉट वरती क्लिक कर. अनम्यूट कर तुझा माईक. तीन डॉट वरती
हो केलं मॅम.
काय काय ऑप्शन येत आहे?
Put me on hold chair.
शेअर वरती
मॅम फुटबॉल प्लेअर चला चालेल ना?
शेअर वरती गेल्यावर शेअर स्क्रीन वरती जा. शेअर वरती गेला का?
हो.
शेअर
मॅम
स्क्रीन कर.
मॅम फुटबॉल प्लेअर चला चालेल ना?
फुटबॉल प्लेयर टेक्निकल टॉपिक है.
नहीं रुक यहाँ पे करो.
मी ना त्याच्यावर केलंय मॅम. उद्या दिलं चालेल का मॅम?
उद्या वेळ मिळेल सांगू नाही शकत. तुझा चान्स गेला. रोल नंबर 15. 15 from start sharing your screen. रोल नंबर
15 का 16?
15 1515.
Yeah.
ओके रोल नंबर 16. तुझं रेडी आहे का?
हो.
शेअर कर तुझी स्क्रीन.
Ma'am, my screen is visible?
नहीं. No. शेअर स्क्रीन वरती जा.
मॅम आता
तू शेअर स्क्रीन वरती जातच नाही. तर कसं काय दिसेल तुझी स्क्रीन?
शेअर स्क्रीन केलंय.
नाही.
अरे यार.
शेअर स्क्रीनला गेल्यावर काय काय ऑप्शन दिसताय तुला?
इथे सेटिंग मध्ये डिस्प्ले ओर द अदर वाइप्स.
मग त्या ऍप वर जाऊन ऐक जरा. ऍप वरती जाऊन मायक्रोसॉफ्ट टीमला अलाउ करायचं. तिथे येईल बघ त्या लिस्ट मध्ये.
केलंय मॅम.
आता स्क्रीन शेअर. आता जा स्क्रीन शेअरच्या ऑप्शनला.
हेलो.
शेअर स्क्रीन वरती जा आता. अरे आता शेअर वरच्या ऑप्शनला जा ना बाबा. तू कशाला वेळ घेतोय?
हा गेलो मी पण नाही होत ते डबल ते ऍपच ते येते.
मग कर त्याला अलाउ केलेलं नाही याचा अर्थ तू परत करते सगळं. त्याच्यावरती जा ऍप्लिकेशन मध्ये मायक्रोसॉफ्ट टीम्स ला क्लिक करायचं. झालं आता.
Check.
माईक अनम्यूट कर रे तुझा. काहीच ऐकायला येत नाहीये तुझं. रोल नंबर 16. आवाज येत नाही तुझा.
तुम बोल कि मैं चाल पीछे ले लूं.
उसके बदले क्या करेगा?
ऐसे बोल रहे हो कि एक बार फिर से खेल लूं क्या नहीं.
Rule number 16. Stop presenting your screen. एवढ्या आवाजामध्ये नाही द्यायचं प्रेझेंटेशन. स्टॉप प्रेझेंटिंग वरती क्लिक कर. स्टॉप प्रेझेंटिंग वरती क्लिक कर. इथे दिसतंय ना, स्टॉप प्रेझेंटिंग वरती क्लिक कर.
हॅलो मॅम, ज्यांची झाली असतील त्यांची घेऊन टाका ना.
प्लीज डोंट. मला माहितीये काय करायचंय. सो प्लीज मयुरी अहिरे.
आवाज नाही ऐकू येत आहे. आवाज नाही येत.
Miss, your voice is not clear.
मयुरी अहिरे. मयुरी अहिरे.
ने कर दिया तूने. कैसे करना?
1 from Polymer Technology. Roll number 1 from Polymer Technology. Roll number 1 from Polymer Technology. One roll number.
Yes.
Share कर तुझी screen.
Ma'am, my screen is visible.
Yes.
Good afternoon, everyone. My topic name is wireless charging technology. First, we see what is wireless technology. Wireless charging, wireless power transfer, uses electromagnetic fields to safely transfer power from a transmitting source to a receiving device for the purposes of charging a battery. We see components of wireless charging: transmitter, receiver in rectangle. Transmitter. A transmitter is an electronic device which produces radio waves with the help of an antenna. Most transmitters are used for radio communication of information over a certain distance. Is used in a charger of wireless. Receiver. A device of apparatus that receives electrical signals, waves or the like and sends them to the senses as the part of telephone held to the ear a radio receiving set or a television receiving set. Rectangle. A rectangle is a rectifying antenna, a special type of antenna that is used to convert electromagnetic energy into direct current. Electricity. They are used in wireless power transmission systems that transmit power radio waves. Working of wireless charging. Means voltage is converted into high frequency alternating current AC. The alternating current is sent to the transmitter coil by the transmitter circuit. The alternating current induces a time varying magnetic field in the transmitter coil. Alternating current flowing within the transmitter coil induces a magnetic field which extends to the receiver coil when within a specified distance. The magnetic field generates current within the receiver coil of the device. The process whereby energy is transmitted between the transmitter and receiver coil is also referred to as the magnetic or resonant coupling and is achieved by both coils resonating at the same frequency. Current flowing within the receiver coil is converted into direct current by the receiver circuit, which can then be used to charge the battery. I will give you brief information about working of wireless charging. This charging technique employs the principle of electromagnetic induction. When an electromagnetic current is passed via a wound up coil or cable through a charging station or a pad, it creates a magnetic field which causes another electric current to be created in the induction coil of a nearby portable device.
हाँ बोलिए.
Advantages of wireless charging. Integration. One of the best advantages of certain wireless chargers is that it can integrate with almost all cell phones, no matter the shape or size of its charging sockets. There are certain devices other than smartphones which can be charged using the wireless charger. Multiple device charging. Today we may have several smartphones in the same room. Usually most smartphones have the same chargers. There can still be a difference when it comes to Apple and Android phones. Having a wireless charging pad can allow you to charge different smartphones simultaneously. Having a multiple device charging station will not only help you charge your smartphones but also likewise devices like tablets, laptops, etc. With this you can reduce the amount of cables and international power adapters at your home and workplace. Disadvantages of wireless charging. First, performance. One of the reasons why wireless charging is not fully integrated is that it still lacks efficiency compared to traditional chargers. There are a certain wireless chargers which simply cannot reach the same efficiency level as compared to traditional ones, which can make the charging process slower. What's more is that the heat generated in certain wireless chargers is higher as compared to the conventional ways of charging. Second, mobility. It is the signals transmitted between your mobile phones and the charger which are wireless, but you still need to plug the charging station to a wall, so it makes the charging stations not portable. Additionally, you must keep the device on the pad at all times and it cannot be removed This obviously makes it difficult to operate the phone while it is being charged. Compatibly, although the same charging stations can be used for different devices, there are people who have witnessed an issue with the same. There are cases where people have reported to have face problems with regards to charging various devices. There have also been compatibility issues with some smartphones not being attracted to draw in power from the power station. Thank you, ma'am, or thank you, everyone.
अब मारो रानी को
What's your name?
मारो रानी को
Vinit Anwat.
Okay, very good, Vinit. You have given good presentation with confident voice. Keep it up.
Thank you.
Roll number 69. Video बंद करा. ऐकायला येत आहे का? Roll number 69 from A division. Roll number 3 from plastic. Sorry, polymer technology. Roll number 3 from polymer.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Which roll number is called from B division?
But called any roll number from B division. Please mute your mic. Roll number 3 from mute your mic. Roll number 3 from polymer technology. If roll number 3 is there, roll number 5 from polymer. Nine roll number from polymer.
तूने रानी रखा है
14 roll number from polymer.
14 झालाय ना मॅम काल
13 झाला आहे ना
14 झाला होता मॅम माझं
15 नाहीये 16 from polymer.
Yes, ma'am. 15.
Start sharing your
Hello.
screen. 15 roll number देतोय का?
Yes, ma'am.
Then start sharing your screen with.
खैर चेक बोलेंगे तो आउट हो गए
कैसे
तुमने इतनी बार मेरे को चेक दिया लेकिन चेक बोले नहीं अभी चेक बोले आउट
स्क्रीन शेयर नहीं होती
जाने का ना बस ना आवाज में
इतनी बार चेक करे ना तो फिर नहीं करने का है इतनी बार चेक करे तो चेक बोलने का भी
15 roll number. Unmute कर तुझा mic.
मॅम झाली का स्क्रीन शेअर
नाही.
पण मॅम झाली
हाँ.
तुम्ही क्या बार भैया चेक दोगे
Am I talking in this environmental pollution? In this environmental pollution can be defined as any undesirable change in physical, chemical or biological characteristics of any component of the environmental, etc., air, water, soil, which can cause harmful effects on various forms of life or property. Pollution. The term pollution can be defined as influence of any substance causing nuisance, harmful effects, and to the organisms. Pollutant.
चेक थोड़ी था
Any substance causing nuisance or harmful effects or
मारेगा
to the
नहीं मालूम था
राजा को नहीं मारेगा तो कौन मारेगा
particular substance may be called as the pollutant. Types of pollution: water pollution, air pollution, land pollution, and noise pollution. Water pollution. Water pollution can be defined as alternation in the physical, chemical, or biological characteristics of water through natural or human activities and making it unsuitable for its designated use. Fresh water present on the earth's surface is put many uses. It is used for drinking, domestic, and municipal uses, agriculture, irrigation, industries, and navigative. The use becomes contaminated and it is called wastewater.
गेम से हटा
Air pollution. Air pollution is the introduction of chemicals, particulate matter, of biological materials that cause harm or discomfort to humans or other living organisms or cause damage to the natural environment or built environment into the atmosphere. Causes of air pollution: due to the carbon dioxide, due to the sulfur dioxide, and due to the sulfur oxide, very dangerous to humans at a high concentration. Sulfur in the atmosphere is responsible for acid rain. Land pollution. Land pollution is the demolition of Earth's land surface, often caused by human activities and their misuse of land resources. It occurs when waste is not disposed properly. Causes of land pollution. 4 main causes of land pollution. First, construction. Second, agriculture. Third, domestic waste. And fourth, industrial waste. Noise pollution. Noise pollution is excessive, displeasing human, animal, or machine created environmental noise that disrupts the activity or balance of human or animal life. World Health Organization stated that noise must be recognized as a major threat to human well-being. Effects of noise pollution. According to the US EPA, there are direct links between noise and health. Also, noise pollution adversely affects the lives millions of people. Noise pollution can damage physiological and physiological health. High blood pressure, stress-related illness, sleep disruption, hearing loss, and productivity loss are the problems related to noise pollution. It can also cause memory loss, depression, and panic attacks.
Can you confirm this?
Ways to stop pollution. We believe that is the responsible thing to increase recycling. It is just like in doing laundry and separating blacks and colors. The residents of the country should also try to their part and put in at least one day of litter picking up. Thank you, ma'am.
अजून मोठ्याने ओरडून नाही बोलता आलं का तुला? हा? कोण प्रॉम्प्ट करतो तुला मागे? Is this the way to give presentation? काय गंमत चालली का इथे? काय रे? हा?
सॉरी मॅम, सॉरी
चेक दे ना.
मॅम, ते घराचं काम चालू आहे.
म्हणून तुला वाचून दाखवावं लागतं का?
रुक अभी नहीं दूंगा.
तुला वाचता नसेल येत तर वाचून घे ना.
ऐसा कर, मैं वापस ले रहा मेरा चेक. कैफ वापस ले रहा.
सॉरी मॅम.
घराचं काम करून घ्या आधी, मग डिप्लोमा करा. रोल नंबर 16 आहे का? प्लास्टिक पॉलिमर टेक्नॉलॉजी. स्क्रीन शेअरिंग बंद कर तुझी. रोल नंबर 17 फ्रॉम पॉलिमर आहे का?
Yes, ma'am.
Start sharing your screen.
Yes. There is like that.
मॅम दिसते?
हो.
My name is Prathamesh Pawar, branch Polymer, Government Polytechnic Nasik. My topic is water pollution. What is a water pollution? Water pollution, a major contamination of water bodies like lakes, rivers, ocean, etc. This form of environmental degradation occurs when pollutants are directly or indirectly discharged into water bodies without adequate treatment to remove harmful compounds. Contents: introduction, source of water pollution, causes cause of water pollution, groundwater pollution, measurement to control water pollution. Introduction: water pollution is a major global problem which require ongoing evaluation of water resource policy at all levels, international down the individual aquifers and wells. It has been suggested that is a leading worldwide cause of death and diseases, and that in account for the death of more than 4,000 people daily, and estimate 580 in India die of water pollution related illness every day. In addition, in addition to the acute problem of water pollution in developing countries, developed countries continue to struggle without pollution problem as well. So my presentation on water pollution introduce you the various effects, cause, prevention, etc. on this burning problem. Source of water pollution: sewage leakage, industrial waste dumped into water, pollution of groundwater through drilling activities, household waste, fifth, animal waste. Causes of water pollution: some causes of water pollution: industrial waste, agriculture pollution, sewage, oil pollution, airborne pollution. Groundwater pollution: interaction between groundwater and surface water are complex. Groundwater pollution, sometimes referred to as groundwater contamination, is not easily classified as surface water pollution by its very nature. Groundwater aquifers are susceptible to contamination from source that might not directly affect surface water bodies, and the distribution of point versus non-point source may by irrelevant as spill ongoing research. The aquifer below defined as a toxic plumb, the movement of plumb called plumb from may be analyzed through as hydrological transport model or groundwater model. Analysis of groundwater contamination may focus on the soil.
थांबून घे. हा टेक्निकल टॉपिक आहे का? अरे टेक्निकल टॉपिकचा अर्थ कळतो का? कुठल्या तरी टेक्निकल टॉपिक वरती प्रेझेंटेशन बनव. प्रेझेंटिंग युअर स्क्रीन मेथड आणि थोडं नीट वाचायला शिक. आता तू डिप्लोमाला आलेला आहे, दुसरी तिसरीतला विद्यार्थी नाहीये. रोल नंबर 18, 19 आहे का पॉलिमर?
Yes, miss. Roll number 19.
19. ओके स्टार्ट शेअरिंग युअर स्क्रीन. प्रथमेश पवार स्क्रीन शेअरिंग बंद कर तुझी.
मॅम एक्सक्यूज मी मॅम.
बोला.
मॅम तुम्ही रॅन्डम रोल नंबर चूज करा ना. असं तर रोल नंबर वाईज चालणार तर आमचा तर नंबर खूप लास्ट येईल.
मग का तुम्ही ऐकणार नाही? हे प्रेझेंटेशन काय माझ्यासाठी का? लास्टला येऊ द्या ना तुमचं प्रेझेंटेशन. काय फरक पडतो? कोणाचं तरी तर लास्टला येईल ना. तुमचे प्रेझेंटेशन झाले की लेफ्ट व्हायला.
मॅम मग सगळे रेडी राहतील ना? कोणाचं पण रॅन्डमली येईल तर
सगळ्यांनी रेडीच राहायचंय. मी रॅन्डमलीच घेते. हर्षल त्रिवेदी
हेलो मिस. हेलो मिस. My screen is visible.
Yes.
Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Harshal Rakesh Trivedi from Polymer Technology. My topic name is Artificial Intelligence and Expert System. Before presentation, first we see what is meant by Artificial Intelligence and Expert System. In Artificial Intelligence and Expert System is a computer system that emulates the decision-making ability of human expert. Expert system are designed to solve complex problems through bodies of knowledge. An overview of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence computing with ability to mimic or duplicate the function of human brain. Artificial intelligence system. The people produces hardware, software, data, and knowledge needed to develop computer system and machine that demonstrate the characteristic of intelligence. Then we say intelligence behavior, learn from experience, apply knowledge acquired from experience, handle complex situation, understand visual image. Then we see there are many major branches of AI. The first perspective system, a system that approximates that way a human sees, hears, and feels the object. Then we see vision system, captures, stores, and manipulates visual images and pictures. Robotics, mechanical and computer device that perform tedious tasks with high precision. Expert system stores knowledge and makes inference. And we see learning system, computer changes how it functions or reacts to situation based on feedback. And neural network, computer system that can act like stimulate the functioning of human brain. Then we see the artificial intelligence, the branch of computer science concerned with making computer behave like human. The term was coined in 1956 by John McCarthy at Massachusetts Institute of Technology. Game planning, programming computer to play games such as chess and checkers. Then we say expert system, programming computers to make decisions in real life situation. For example, some expert system helps doctor diagnose disease based on symptoms. Then robotics, programming computer to see, hear, to react to other sensory stimuli. In a neural network system, it stimulates intelligence by attempting to reproduce the type of physical concentration to occur in animal brain. Then overview of expert system. Expert system, a collection of software packages and tools used to develop expert system. Capabilities of expert system. Explore impact strategic goals, impact of plans on resources, provide advice on decision, look for cause and suggest solutions. Then we say limitation of expert system. Not widely used or tested, limited to relatively narrow problems, cannot really deal with mixed knowledge, possibility of error, difficult to maintain, may have high development costs, raise legal and ethical concerns. When to use an expert system, provide a high potential payoff, capture and preserve irreplaceable human expertise, provide expertise needed at a number of locations at the same time in a hostile and environment that dangerous human health, provide expertise that is expensive or rare,
develop a solution faster than human expertise can, provide expertise needed for training and development to share the wisdom of human with large number of people. Then is a component of an expert system. The knowledge base stores or relevant information data rule, cause and relationship used by the expert system. Inference engine seeks information and relationship from knowledge base, provides answer, prediction and suggestion in the way of human expert would. Then rule, a conditional statement that links given condition to action or outcomes. And fuzzy logic, a specialty research area in computer science that allows shades or gray and does not require everything to be simply yes or no. Then we see the advantages that consist answer of repetitive decision process and task, holds and maintains significant level, organization to clarify logic of the decision, never forget to ask question as a human might. Then we say application of expert system and artificial intelligence, credit granting, information management, AI and expert systems in products, plant layout, loan analysis, virus detection, shipping, marketing. Thank you, miss. Miss over. Hello, miss. Hello, miss.
हेलो मैम.
Hello, miss.
मैम नहीं झालं काय?
No.
मैम माइक बंद आहे.
Hi, miss. Your voice is not coming.
मैम
जर तुमचा माईक बंद आहे.
त्याचा माइक ऑन आहे. रोल नंबर 19.
Yes, miss.
Roll number 20 is there. From polymer, if roll number 20 is there.
Miss, your voice is not coming. Miss, my presentation is over. Roll number 19.
I know that. I have heard your presentation. If roll number 20 is there from polymer. बोला.
उद्या दिलं तर चालेल का 17चं?
का बरं?
आता तुम्ही ते बोलले ना ते विषय नव्हता हा. मी याचं वॉटर पोल्युशनचं घेतलं होतं ते.
बाकीच्यांचं
नवीन.
रोल नंबर 20 आहे का? आणि बरेच जण लेफ्ट होऊन गेलेले आहेत. हे प्रेझेंटेशन काही माझ्यासाठी सुरू नाही हा. रॅन्डमली मी खरंच आता कोणालाही विचारणार होतो. मयुरी अहिरे कोण आहे? अनम्यूट कर बरं तुझा माईक. मयुरी अहिरे, आवाज येतोय का तुला माझा? मयुरी अहिरे.
हा येतोय मॅम.
तुला किती वेळा मी बाहेर काढलंय मीटिंगच्या? तुला रोल नंबर जॉईन व्हायचंय कळत नाही का?
सॉरी मॅम, ते आवाज नीट नव्हता येत. नेटचा प्रॉब्लेम येतोय घडी घडी.
मग रोल नंबरने जॉईन कर. आणि रोल नंबरने जॉईन केलं तरच यायचं, नाही तर यायचं.
मॅम ते माझं प्रेझेंटेशन बाकी.
प्लस हो आधी तू रोल नंबरने जॉईन हो सांगितलं तर रोल नंबरने जॉईन व्हायचं.
हो.
Roll number 67 from B division.
6 inch or foot long.
Roll number 67 from B division. आहे का? Roll number 46 from B division.
मॅम नंबर 68 देऊ का?
46. हे बघा मी ज्यांना सांगेल त्यांनीच प्रेझेंटेशन द्या. मी रॅन्डमली जे रोल नंबर सांगते आहे त्यांनीच रोल नंबर 46 फ्रॉम बी डिव्हिजन. रोल नंबर 46 फ्रॉम बी डिव्हिजन. येतो सर्वांना माझा आवाज?
अटकतोय आवाज.
रोल नंबर 58 फ्रॉम बी डिव्हिजन. 58. रोल नंबर 58 फ्रॉम बी डिव्हिजन. रोल नंबर 58.
मॅम तुमचा आवाज अटकतोय खूप.
आवाज नाही येत आहे मॅम.
मला तुमचा आवाज व्यवस्थित येतोय. रोल नंबर 58 फ्रॉम बी डिव्हिजन.
मॅम 58 का 68?
58 58. रोल नंबर 30 फ्रॉम बी डिव्हिजन. रॅन्डमली घेतलं की असं असतं.
मॅम माझं घेऊन डिव्हिजन.
मी ज्याला सांगते आहे तोच प्रेझेंटेशन देईल. इथून पुढे जर कोणी म्हटलं ना माझं प्रेझेंटेशन घ्या तर त्याचं प्रेझेंटेशन बिलकुल नाही घेणार. एकदा सांगितलेलं कळू देत चला.
मॅम डिव्हिजन ए चं बोला ना.
तुम्ही सांगाल मला तेच मी बोलायचंय का? मला कळतं ना काही. हा मी जे रोल नंबर कॉल करते त्यांनीच द्यायचा आहे.
हॅलो मॅम.
बोला.
बी डिव्हिजनचे मी देऊ का?
अरे मी जे रोल नंबर कॉल करेल त्यांनीच द्यायचं. याचा मराठीमध्ये अर्थ आणखीन समजत नाहीये का?
रोल नंबर 30 मॅम माझा बी डिव्हिजन.
स्टार्ट शेअरिंग युअर स्क्रीन विथ मी. Your screen is not visible. Start sharing your screen with us. Roll number 30. Roll number 30 from B division. ऐकायला येतंय का? अनम्यूट कर तुझा
Yes
माइक.
ma'am. थांबा 2 मिनिट. Please wait. होत नाही. अरे होत नाही.
आवाज येत नाही मॅम.
त्याला आवाज नाही येते.
आवाज नाही येते मॅम.
मॅम सेटिंग झालेली आहे 2 तिच्यानंतर केलं चालेल का मॅम? मॅम
तुमचा आवाजच येत नाहीये.
येस टीचर तुमचा आवाज नाही येते.
हो मॅम तुमचा आवाजच येत नाहीये.
उरलेले प्रेझेंटेशन आपण उद्या घेऊयात.
ओके टीचर चालेल.
वा लेफ्ट.
ओके चालेल.
हॅलो
मी
मॅम
परत
उद्या
येईल
किती
का?
वाजता? हॅलो
मॅम
किती
लिव्ह
वाजता?
झाला वाटतं.
उद्या किती वाजता मॅम लिव्ह झालं उद्या किती वाजता आहे
10 वाजेला लेक्चर आहे का मॅमचं उद्या वाटतं?
कल सकाळी 8:30 वाजता केमिस्ट्रीचं आहे ना?
हो
ते आमचं
पाहू चला
डिव्हिजन वाल्यांचं आहे.
मॅमला मेसेज टाकून पहा ना आता परत रिजॉईन करते का
नाही करणार
नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लेम आहे मॅडम
थकून पण गेले सकाळीपासून लेक्चर चालू आहे.
चालू आहे यार.
काही क्लास ओके चला मी लेफ्ट होतो चला बाय ओके सकाळीची